You've reached the end of this playlist. You need to go on over to the next playlist. This is video 600, and it is the 100th video of playlist 6. You need to go over to playlist number 7 now. So right now, you are here on the very fast, advanced code review playlist. Every single video, we review the code we wrote since the previous video. So we write a little bit of code, we do a code review. We write a little bit of code, we do a code review. That is how that works. And the next 100 videos is going to be on this playlist right here, Bomb Playlist number 7. You can go to tinyurl.com/bomb playlist number 7 to get there. It'll take you right back to a YouTube playlist, but I'm doing this because obviously you can't cut and paste from the screen right now, so I figured this tiny URL will help you because YouTube playlist URLs are fucking insane. I would not expect you to be able to type something like that. I can't fucking type something like that, right? This is much easier. Tiny URL, bomb-playlist 7, and it'll take you to the next playlist, the next 100 videos on the Kanji Coder channel. Each one of those videos is about a minute long, so like and subscribe and send money in the mail. I'm making a game engine from complete scratch. There's ways to get a hold of me right here, so like and subscribe, send money in the mail. My name is Kanji Coder, and I'm working on Atomic Ivy MMO. It's a fully destructible fractal geometry bomb game written in nothing but vanilla JavaScript in a C99 data-oriented style, because I am fucking insane. So like and subscribe if you are interested in this kind of stuff. You want to see how one goes about making a game engine from complete scratch, a 2D side-scroller game engine with completely destructible fractal geometry. Yes, that is right. Like and subscribe.